Hey guys, this is literally the best chili garlic prawns recipe you'll ever make. It's so easy, you just have to try it out. I've got my prawns already shelled and deveined. Add in your chopped garlic, chili flakes, chili powder, chili puree. In goes the soy sauce, and we're going to give that a good mix and marinate for about 20 minutes and let the spices get all up in there. Then grab a pan, drizzle in some oil. In goes the garlic, fresh chilies, prawns, soy sauce, and we're going to throw in the red onions. Give that a good mix, and we're going to cook that for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat and keep that sizzling. Sprinkle over your chopped coriander and spring onions to freshen it up, and of course more chilies for that extra kick. Well, why not? This looks so good, smells absolutely amazing and tastes even better. Now excuse me while I enjoy and hope you do too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.